Hello, Snow Castle cats. 3 cats are relaxing in the kitchen, and if we include this one, we can say 4. But let's focus on these ones. Brittany, and we have Melody, and we have Vanity, and they're getting on very well. Oh, she just saw the reflection on my watch. They're getting on very well and relaxing together, which is nice to see. Brittany particularly likes this Tesco's bag. She enjoys the fabric, the texture. All of the cats love this one, my laptop rest. And Vanity particularly likes the egg box. Now, if I look at my watch here, and I put it like this, causes a bit of excitement. Anyway, guys, the noise in the background is my wife cooking. If you can hear some sort of cooking noises. So let's leave the cats to enjoy Boxing Day 2020. Catch you later.